Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will learn how to make a mind map. A mind map is a visual representation of information. The information that is given in words and sentences, paragraphs, covering several pages, can be simplified with the help of a mind map, and it becomes more attractive to look at. Let's see how to make a mind map. The first thing that you need to do is to place your paper in landscape rather than portrait. And in the center, write your topic or draw a picture for your topic. Over here you can see the picture as well as the topic. Time is precious. Then the next thing that you need to do is to read the text for which you are making the mind map thoroughly and identify the keywords. You can underline or highlight the keywords in the text. Then divide the topics into subtopics, that is main headings and subheadings. Then start making your mind map. Draw branches pointing away from the center. Begin from the top right of the topic. So the first branch over here is never comes back. So time is precious and it never comes back. Use carefully is the second topic, that you need to use it carefully because it never comes back. The branch should be equal to the words or images. Remember that in the mind map you write on these branches rather than at the end of the branches as you do in a web. So that is the difference between a web and a mind map. In mind map you write on these branches. The branches should be equal to the words or images. The subtopics can be added to each branch. The branches for the subtopics will be thinner. And you can see that with each topic you can create a picture that will remind you of the words that you have written. Never comes back. So over here you can see that we have a picture of an arrow that is going forward and coming back, and there is a cross on the top that it will not come back. Use with, instead of writing use carefully, we have written use with, and we have put the picture of a heart over there to show care. So this is how you can turn the words into images, because your brain remembers images more than words. This is a subtopic that you should use it with care and you should use it intelligently. And you can see that the line for the subtopic is thinner than the main branch. The images help to remember information more easily, and therefore you should use more images, less words. The third branch over here is destination. Our use of time decides our destination. Either it will take us to hell or to Jannah. Now I will show you different mind maps made by different students, and with the help of these pictures you will understand how your mind maps may look like. This is the mind map of a poem which is called Luqman's Advice. This is the mind map of Sawat. This is also the mind map of Sawat, and you can see that it looks absolutely different from the previous one. This is the mind map of a unit which is about knowing children of other nations. The topic here is migration, electricity. So this is a mind map related to science. Development, a mind map related to social studies or geography. This is a mind map related to settlement. This is a mind map which is related to Surah Hujurat. So you can see that we can make mind maps on any topic and in any subject. Now a little bit why of mind maps. Images and keywords are more engaging. When you look at a mind map, it is engaging to look at. You like to look at a colorful representation of complex topics. Learning is meaningful and better when you learn with the help of mind maps. Our brain works by connecting ideas together. So these lines that we have in the mind map, they connect one idea with the other. And this is how our brain works. It makes complex material easy to understand and learn. It ignites creativity when you will sit with a paper and pencil, read the material and try to put it in the mind map. You will become more creative. And when you are creating your own mind maps, memorizing those mind maps becomes a lot easier than memorizing linear notes. It helps compose ideas in your own unique way. So each person's mind map will be different from the mind map of another person on the same topic. Now, when can you use mind maps? So one main area in which you can use your mind map is to learn any material in any subject. It helps you to organize your thoughts and it helps you to make notes of any topic. So I hope now you have learned how to make mind maps, and now it is your turn. You should choose a text and make a mind map on that topic. Jazakallah. That's all for today. Allah Hafiz.